Alright everybody, how you doing? It's Sunday evening, what time is it? It's about 8 o'clock and I'm just unloading for tomorrow's job because I'm working in this little baker's which is closed for the week, and I've got a ceiling repair to do and there's literally nowhere to park out there, so I've had to bump my van up the curb while it's quiet on a Sunday evening. I'm going to unload everything and tomorrow will be my job in here, so I'll just show you what I'm doing and where I am, and then I'll show you tomorrow. So I'm paranoid about the van. You know what it's like when you leave it on the curb, there's always someone going to moan. Right, so under this board is a hole. I come and repaired this about a year ago now. I was having some roof trouble, so I come in and cut a bit of patch of ceiling out, and I just put a bit of ply over it just to tidy it up. And now they're having a bit of a shutdown, so I'm going to be taking down the ceiling, probably just up to the beam there, down to there. That's all they're after, just a little repair. So I think I've got a better chance of a decent join by coming all the way to this frame here anyway, but I'll film all that tomorrow, so I'm just going to unload for now. Right, I've unloaded everything I think I might need, so I've got a couple of sheets of plasterboard, but it's overkill, but I just thought I'd bring them in anyway. Buckets, whisk, rubbish bags, hook, trowel, bucket trowel, a couple of bits of timber in case I need to make a little brace up there, bag of finish, PVA, brushes, roller, drywall screws, screws to perhaps fix some timbers back if I need to, a broom, a hoover and a straight edge. I can't think of anything else. I don't know if you can, but yeah, it should be a simple repair. All that conduit just on screws. So join me tomorrow and I will film myself doing this little repair. But that's all for me, so I'm going to put this out tonight because it won't take me a minute just to edit this. And shame I can't leave my van there tomorrow, but that's chock-a-block with traffic tomorrow. It's a little two-lane and it comes down, go left or go right. I would cause absolute mayhem if I left that there tomorrow, and I'm sure I'd have a ticket quicker than you can say boo, really. So yeah, the van is going to go and stay somewhere else, and then I shall walk down here and crack on with this tomorrow. So right, enjoy Sunday night all. I'm going to go back home. That was lucky, just got in the van to go back home. And I thought, shit, I've got nothing to stand on. So anyway, get the hop up there. I just put my hop up in there and then realised I haven't got a standing knife, I haven't got a hammer, I haven't got a pencil. So I just took my whole toolbox and chucked it in there. So easy to forget one thing, and it's, you know, be a little silly thing that you forget. It's going to cause you the most aggro. Anyway, right, I shall see you in there tomorrow.